Namaste and welcome to our Alpha Mind Powers channel. Today's topic is self-discipline. Why should we have self-discipline? We should have self-discipline because it helps us to do many things the way we want to do them. It helps us to take our life on the right path which we feel is the best for us. All that is there. But many people, when they talk to me, they tell me that there are so many things I would like to do but I'm not able to do. I don't have the discipline for it. So why are we not able to create that discipline? Let us now look at the benefits of creating self-discipline, benefits of practicing self-discipline. Once you understand the benefits, once that gets into your mind, then practicing self-discipline or creating it, cultivating it becomes much easier. So let's look at these points. Point number 1, when there is self-discipline, the productivity is very high. Now, if you have the discipline in your mind that in the morning 5 to 6, I do my exercise, I do my meditation. This is a simple day-to-day life example. If the discipline is there, then you will not get up at 5 o'clock and wonder what to do, whether I should do this or that, whether I should have tea, whether I should go for a walk, this. You have the discipline in the mind, you have already programmed it. So automatically you will get up and without thinking you will do it. So that way, any part of the day, whatever time, whatever work you keep for that day, if your mind is disciplined enough to say that now this is the work I should be doing, so your focus will not go elsewhere because this is what you have to finish. So automatically the productivity will be better and finishing any work also will be much better. Point number 2, when there is self-discipline, time management becomes very easy because time management is all about self-discipline. So you say 8 to 9, this is what I must finish, and 10 to 12 is my time for this, I must finish this. So when you have this in your mind, if you're able to do it, then we say my time management is very good. And how does that come? It comes when there is self-discipline. When you can discipline your mind to that level that this time 5 to 6 is my exercise, my yoga, my meditation, etc. And 6 o'clock onwards, this is what I do. So you have the time frame set in your mind. And if you're able to keep up to that time frame and maintain that time frame, then the self-discipline is there. So time management becomes easier when there is self-discipline. If self-discipline is lacking, time management becomes a very difficult task to complete. Point number 3, when there is self-discipline and you're able to do things properly, you're able to do things on time, the self-confidence level increases. Because self-confidence comes when you just feel, I have completed my work on time. Whatever I had thought of doing, I have achieved. So you feel more confident. So increase in self-confidence is something which you will see when you practice self-discipline. Point number 4, better goal achievement. Because for any goal to be achieved, self-discipline is very important. Discipline with your own personal self, whatever you think and do. And discipline in your life also, whatever behavioral patterns you have, everything takes you towards the goal. So for a goal to be achieved, definitely self-discipline is very important, because whatever you think, whatever you do should take you towards that goal. Otherwise, it remains as an intention. You say, I want to buy a house, I want to do these things, today I want to call this person, simple things like that. Today I want to go and meet this person, or today I have to go and pay this bill, today I have to go to this place and complete this work. All this remains as an intention. The goal doesn't get achieved until and unless there is discipline in the mind to put yourself on that path and to move towards the goal. That is the most important thing. And when you have proper self-discipline, the main outcome is better physical health and mental health. Physical health, because when there is discipline in the mind, a person will do his exercise or yoga. You will also do the meditation, so the body benefits, the mind also benefits. And when there is a proper discipline in the mind, you will eat on time, you will sleep on time, have sufficient sleep, you will take rest as per your requirement. Whatever you plan to do, you will be able to do. Otherwise, people say, I plan to do this, I plan to sleep by 10 o'clock in the night, but it never happens because there's no discipline. So if you look at it like that, if we practice proper self-discipline and program our mind to function the way we want it to function and to take our life in that particular direction, then automatically you will see that you can achieve your goals easily, manage your time very easily, complete everything on time, and also your self-confidence goes up. and you feel so good and you enjoy better health, both physically and mentally. So there are so many benefits when you practice self-discipline. So cultivate it. It's not so difficult, and let me know how you feel.